Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your Apple Watch band just isn't clicking in properly. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. There's never just one reason why this may happen. So, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and if your Apple Watch band, if for some reason it seems like it's going in, but then it actually just kind of slides through, so something like this. So, your band kind of slides in, maybe it doesn't slide in, or maybe it's hard to slide in and it's not connecting through. Well, you want to double check that the band itself is going in the right direction. So the way that I typically go ahead and actually determine whether a watch is going in or not is I look at the band and I see if it's pointing up. Typically, the part that's pointing up is the part that you want to go ahead and connect, watch face upwards. So in this case, I'll go ahead and have it pointing up, and I'll go ahead and point this one this way, and I'll go ahead and slide this in just like so. And you want to go ahead and wiggle it in, and that's typically the first thing that may fix it for you. Now, it's not a guarantee, but that's the thing that typically fixes it for me. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing is you want to see inside of this specific spot right here whether there's a lot of dust and debris and gunk stuck in here. Sometimes you may be in a situation where these things are just full of just random stuff, and the best thing to do is get a cotton swab or something like that and clean out the inside of this specific area. Now again, that's the thing that I typically do, and it usually does clean it out for me, and I would probably recommend you to do the same. So grab some sort of toothpick or cotton swab or something and clean out the inside of this, and then you want to go ahead and grab that band again, and you want to go ahead and make sure it's pointing upwards like this, and you want to go ahead and slide it in just like so. Typically, this should be good to go, and you may not even have to do anything else after this. Now again, it's not a guarantee, but that's typically the most amount that I have to do in order to fix something like this. Now, if that doesn't work for some reason, the next thing you can do is try out a different band. You want to try a couple of different bands for your Apple Watch, and if those bands, all of them are not clicking in, the best thing you can do is to make sure your Apple Watch is suitable for those bands. There may be times where a band is only specific for a specific model. There are 2 different versions of Apple Watches, so you want to go ahead and make sure those bands are situated and suited for your specific band as well and your specific Apple Watch. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.